Now, I think you're comfortable with how to work on a date card, number card, and text card. All these options give you one value at a time. Only one date, one number, or one text. What if you want to have multiple numbers, multiple texts, and multiple dates? Let's see. So for that, we'll be using a multi-row card. Actually, the name is not so correct. It should be multi-row and multi-column card. Let's see what I mean to say. So if I click on this normal card, what we have seen in the previous video, and if I drag here subcategory, I used to get only one subcategory name. But if I click outside, and if I click on this multi-row card, and if I resize it, and if I drag the same field over here, subcategory, into that box, you can see I will be getting all the names of those subcategories into that dataset. Okay, these are all 17 subcategories. If you count, along with this, if you also want sales, profit, quantity, anything, you can simply drag and drop profit, sales, and quantity. So you can keep on adding as many columns as you want. Okay, so that's the name. It's given as multi-row card. So, why is it given multi-row card? Because you can see these are multiple records. What I was saying is it should also be given multi-column because I'm adding the second column, third column, and fourth column as well. So the name should not be multi-row. It should be multi-row and multi-column card. Okay, that makes more sense. So you can keep on adding different fields over here. Let's make it simple. I'll only add a subcategory in profit, okay? And I'll delete this one. So these are all 17 subcategories. What do I want? I only want the top 3 subcategories by profit, the highest profitable top 3 subcategories. So I can drag the subcategory and drop it into this box here. Filter on this visual. Click on this drop down and select top N option. And here I can select 3. Earlier, I used to type only 1 because it used to give only one output. So I'll type as 3 and I can drag profit into by value. And if I click on apply button, you can see only 3 subcategories are given and they are the most profitable. And what are those? Accessories, copiers, and phones. I know it is not visible. The font is very small. So I can click on this format button and go to that card option or maybe card title and increase the size here. So if I increase and make it as some different color, so accessories, copiers, and phones are the highest profitable subcategories. Suppose you want the lowest profitable. You can click on this bottom button and click on apply. So these are the lowest profitable. I'll just click on top and click on apply. Okay, so what is the benefit of using this multi-row card? Let me show you practically. Suppose if I create a pie chart for region and sales. I'll realize before I show you something. Yeah, so if I put here region into legend, and if I put here sales into details, now maybe I have to put into values. Yes. So carefully observe this box. When I say this box, that means the multi-row card which I have created. When I select something here in the pie chart, suppose if I select West. So what are the top 3 subcategories which are sold in West region? I can say copiers, binders, and accessories. If I click on East region, I'm getting the same. I think binders, copiers, and force. If I click on Central, you can see the values are changing. So you can find out top 3 profitable subcategories when you keep on clicking on any region. Not only this, you can change the chart. You can change the different fields over here, and these values will keep on changing. Okay, that's very simple. So that's it. I hope you've understood how to create a multi-row card in Power BI.